Tony,
Yo,
Ezeneza,
Mezeneza.
I'm going to ask you, how do we say ndagukunda in Kinyarwanda?
You already say in Kinyarwanda. Dagugunda. You say Dagugunda. How you say Dagugunda in Kinyarwanda?
So what is the meaning of ndagukunda in English?
Oh, Dagugunda, I mean like I love you. Like
I
I
love
love
you.
you. Yeah.
Okay. Tell me how we say, how are you in Kinyarwanda?
How are you? You can say like Mezewute or like yeah, like that.
Yeah, yeah.
Mezewute.
Uh-huh. And I want to tell someone, good morning.
Oh,
How do I say it?
good morning. You say Ngaramute.
Are you sure?
Yeah, Ngaramute.
Maramute.
Yeah.
Okay. And I want to say rice.
Oh, rice umuchele.
Mhm.
Yeah, rice is umuchele.
Mhm. Okay.
I know a lot. Like I know Sherry, Mombebe. Yeah, I know like Umukogwa. I know Muhungu.
Uh-huh.
I know like Ujiye, Vuyehe, Utuyehe.
Uh-huh.
I know even like how to count money like Ijumbi, Magana Bili,
Uh-huh.
Magana Tatu, million na vitano. I know even 20. I know like Ine. We have even two is Kabili, Katatu, we have Kane, we have Tanu, and then we have Tandatu, we have Karingi,
Okay.
we have Munani, and then we have Chenda, and then we have
Chumi.
Chumi.
Okay.
Yeah,
Huh?
yeah, I think that this one now will be good because I'm going to marry from Kayonza.
Uh-huh. From Kayonza.
Yeah, Kayonza ladies, be ready. I'm coming for you.
Okay.
Yeah,
Thank you so much. Follow us, comment, share,
yeah,
keep supporting us.
yeah.
We love you so much.
Yeah, the Ugunda, Chane, Chane, Chane,
Okay.
Chane,
Murabeho.
Murabeho.